Okay, so for today, we have one of those fireplace style electric heaters. This door is fake, so it doesn't open or do anything. But this door here opens to reveal these function buttons, as you see right here. Yes, it has glass in three sides, well, kind of a plexiglass. I'm not sure if it's a real glass. This one lights up almost like a real wood, supposedly. This is where you turn it on. This is where you change this flame here. This is the timer. This is where you change the actual heat. And this is the temperature up and down, as you see right here. And here's where you would see your monitoring. Well, you see the numbers and all that. The heat element itself is right here inside. Is one of those elements, as you see inside. It has three of them. This particular unit, they come with some small remotes, like this one right here. Remote controller works just fine. And let me see if I can see the model on the back of it. That's gonna be interesting. And the model here is Warm Living Infrared Technology, and the model is WL3DS. Oh, it says WL3DSTOVE20-WP. Whew, that was some creative name right there. And besides that, the rest is just standard lingo that is 1500 watts, which we know for burners and all that good stuff. And without wasting many more minutes that are very valuable, I'm gonna try to put it right here, because if I lower this more, it will not be in the same exact position as the other heaters that I tested here. And I would like to keep them all the same place, the same direction, and the same distance. So with that said, we're gonna use the same measurement styles. This one will remain here on this table. We will measure it with the kilowatt meter. Let me detach it so we can get it to time at 0 again. And when we plug it, it should go back at 0. And we are, yep, 0, 0. This is good. This is gonna be our timer. And let's plug it in really quick. Here's our plug. Boom. Okay, we heard a beep. I don't have batteries on this controller remote, so don't worry about that part. As you see, when you turn it on, it turns this light here. You press this, goes to 72. We're going to put it on the maximum that it has, which seems to be 90. This is the flames on lower when it's yellow, and on red when it's high. And right now the elements should start getting kind of glowy red. Right here, the filament inside starts glowing red. And let me put it back down, because otherwise it will not turn on. Yes, it has an actual safety feature too, believe it or not. And now we will start our journey from right here. The timer is on and counting. Temperature is 72.7 inside. Well, 72 I should say, because the decimals on temperature are not always accurate. And outside is 55. And the reading, what it's drawing right now, is 14 watts. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be this way. Okay, so, and now it is drawing, I would say 13.8, almost 1400 watts. So 1.4 kilowatts at this moment. Oh yeah, it's blowing a lot of hot air. This is hot. This is quite hot, actually. So we will see you guys in a few minutes, I guess, or an hour, how we say it. Okay, we are at the 60 minute, and we're gonna stop the timer. Whoa, this one so far is actually doing the best. Let me turn it off real quick. Okay, and it kicks in fan mode to cool down the elements. As you see, the temperature outside is 53.8 or 53, let's call it. It went 82 inside here on this table, even though the fan is here and the thermometer is here, and the thermometer on my desk went 78. That's quite almost adjacent from the heater. In my opinion, so far this one is winning the race here. This managed, when it's colder outside with no other AC or heating or anything else in this room at all, this one managed to put out the most heat so far in 1 hour. Now let's see how many watts did we consume here. So far, 1.3 kilowatts. Actually, that is not bad compared to the others. This is really not bad, and this is seriously taking me by surprise. I expected this one to be kinda on the medium or on the middle in comparison to the other ones that I've done previously, but so far this one is 100% the winner. But we have more heaters to go in the upcoming video mini series that we're doing. Yes, I have at least 3 or 4 more coming, because since it's winter, I am going to test them all. And all tested will be in a standard way, or will be tested in a standard way with the same exact timer, same exact thermometer in front of here on the table, and same exact thermometer right by my desk, which is adjacent from here, and will be plugged on the same kilowatt meter, same plug or extension cord, which is not normal extension cord, by the way. I do not suggest you put any heaters on a regular extension cord that you can buy just on any store. It must be the heavy duty ones, and even on these, for a very limited time. You do not want to leave it for over an hour, even in the heavy duty extension cords. But besides that point, so far this one is winning by a lot. I mean winning by really a lot, because it did the best heat so far in 1 hour. I'm extremely amazed. Again, the name of this one was, and I'll try to leave a link if I can find it, Warm Living Infrared Technology, and the model again was WL3DSTOVE20-WT. Interesting to me to see this kind of result. I did not expect it. And yes, they come with a tiny remote controller, which I don't know what to tell you guys. I am actually surprised and blown away. I haven't tried most of these heaters. Have not been really tested by me in this house, so that's why I'm this surprised, because I didn't really know how this one will work. And with that said, I hope you learned something or had some entertainment from this video, and well, if you're in the market, probably looks like so far this one would do the job better than all the other ones. But keep in mind, we have more to come, and I think the best ones are still coming. Just keep tuned on the next videos until we finish this electric heater series. And yes, that does not involve central ACs. We're always talking without central ACs. And we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe and check our merch. Yeah, there's little tabs down there if you like anything, and more designs will be coming soon. Bye!